Ever wonder how the British Air Force pulled off the biggest air raid in history? Let's dive into Operation Millennium, the epic thousand-plane raid of World War II. On May 30th, 1942, the British Royal Air Force launched a massive attack on the German city of Cologne. Imagine 1,000 bombers soaring through the night sky, all aiming to cripple the enemy's industrial heart. This wasn't just about dropping bombs. This raid was meant to send a clear message: the Allies were here to fight back. Operation Millennium marked a turning point in aerial warfare, demonstrating unparalleled coordination and sheer power. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing history.